This song was sung by Narottam Das Thakur, a great devotee Acharya in the disciplic succession of Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya. Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya means the disciplic succession who are coming down from Lord Chaitanya. So, this Narottam Das Thakur has written many songs and it is recognized as authority by all the Vaishnavas. He has sung these songs in simple Bengali language, but the purport and the deep meaning of the song is very significant. He says, Gauranga Bolite Habe Pulakasari. This is the perfection of chanting, that as soon as we chant or take the name of Lord Gauranga, who initiated the Sankirtan movement, at once there will be a shivering in the body. So, it is not to be imitated, but Narottam Das Thakur is recommending when that opportune moment will come to us, that as soon as we shall chant Lord Gauranga's name, there will be shivering in the body. And after the shivering, Hari Hari Bolite Nayane Babe Ni. While chanting Hare Krishna, there will be tears in the eyes. Then again, he says, Har Kabe Nitai Chand Karuna Kuri. We are all asking about the mercy of Lord Nityananda. Nityananda is supposed to be the original spiritual master. So, we have to approach Gauranga, or Lord Chaitanya, through the mercy of Lord Nityananda. So, what is the symptom of a person who has achieved the causeless mercy of Lord Nityananda? Narottam Das Thakur says that one who has actually received the causeless mercy of Nityananda, he has no more any material desire. That is the symptom. Har kabe nitai chand karuna karibe sangsar vasana mor kabe tuchcha. Sangsar vasana means desire for material enjoyment, when it will become very insignificant. Of course, so long we have got this body, we have to accept so many things material, but not in the spirit of enjoyment, but to keep up the body and soul together. So, and he says further, Rupa Raghunato Pade Hoive Akuti. When I shall be very much eager to study the books left by the 6 Goswamis. Akuti means eagerness. Because Rupa Goswami is the father of this devotional service. He has written that book, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. In that book, there is nice direction. Of course, in Chaitanya Chaitamrita and other books, we have given the summary of those direction in our book, Teachings of Lord Chaitanya. So, one has to learn the conjugal loving affairs of Radha Krishna through the teachings of these 6 Goswamis. Narottam Das Thakur giving us the direction that you do not try to understand the conjugal love of Radha Krishna by your own endeavor. You should try to understand by the direction of the Goswamis. So Narottam Das Thakur sings, Narottama Rupa Raghunato Pade Hoive Akuti Kabe Hama Bujhavasi Jugalaprit. Jugalaprit means conjugal love. Another thing he sings, that Vishaya Chariya Kabe Shuddha Habe Mon. This mind, so long the mind is too much absorbed in materialistic thought, he cannot enter into the kingdom of Vrindavan. Narottam Das Thakur says, Vishaya Chariya Kabe Shuddha Habe. When my mind will be completely purified, being freed from material anxieties and desires, then I shall be able to understand what is Vrindavan, what is conjugal love of Radha and Krishna, and then my spiritual life will be successful.